Magandang araw, Catalia Farm Resort. Ayan. Nagpintas di Ate Pool, open for all occasion, located at Santo Domingo, San Manuel, Pangasinan. Nagpintas guys, flowing Tijuana, solar tigam gamitan na, come and visit Catalia Farm Resort. Santo Domingo, San Manuel, Pangasinan. Datamo jay pana guys, function room na. Dati mo jay small nga pool. Saan ka pa guys? May kayo bisitahan iti Catalia Farm Resort, located at Santo Domingo, San Manuel, Pangasinan. Ajiket ng mag-swimming, agpabook, just direct message me. Ayan, dito lang sa Catalia Farm Resort, Santo Domingo, San Manuel, Pangasinan. Thank you so much, Diyos ko Lord.